Welcome to the Shakaama Live Show with your host, Shakaama. I just received some devastating news that really has completely changed my life. What I would like to do is do a live stream and talk about it. I'll take questions from the chat and what have you. So make sure that you subscribe and click the bell notification. For those who can't make it, sorry. But I think I'm going to do more live streams because that's what the robot wants. It wants content now, continuously. I do appreciate all the new people that have come to the channel. I appreciate everybody who's been viewing my channel lately and an outpouring of views on the channel, so that really helps out. Thank you for that. Leave a comment below. I'd like to take a survey of what you all think the possible life-changing news that I got is. The person who guesses it gets a prize to be named later. Thank you for watching. Leave a like.